WhatsApp has new privacy settings. I will choose three most popular settings for your daily use. Let's start. The first of all one is the finger lock. Every people use our phone and we have so many private messages, everything in WhatsApp. We can lock our WhatsApp. Let's start. First, lock our WhatsApp. How to lock our WhatsApp? Let's go to settings. On settings, there is option called accounts. On that accounts, go to privacy. Open your privacy. On scroll down on top, there is option called finger lock. On Android and some of the phone having finger lock, this option we can choose. On iPhone and some other phone having the face screen, we can choose that one. That are the two options here. So the face id is also recognize that one. Once we open our WhatsApp, it automatically asks you face id or finger lock. So we can choose immediate or 1 minute or 15 seconds. So we can choose. If you fast doing, we can choose only one. So if you give to someone, they will ask you lock first of all. Number two is how to send audio messages. Previously, there is no option to send audios. Then, if you send audios, there is only one click. Now we can pause the audio anytime and we can edit the audio. Example, we talking something over the recording and we don't like the some topics, we can edit that one and we can send, and we can go to another app, or you get a call. In previously, if you get a call, it automatically go, but now you can take the call or you can go to another app. That time the audio will pause automatically. So many options are here. So now you open this, they ask you lock. See, the pause is there. So now you can edit the audio again and re-record and send. This is the best option. Everyone can love it. And tip number 3, best quality images. So many people are struggling that while they sending the images, the quality is not good. The what is the reason is we need to change the settings. This is an option to photo upload quality. Choose best quality always. So the quality will not reduce. So what image you take and send, those image will get it. Please subscribe to more technical videos. Thank you.